Take a bus.
Yes, to go.
To Rangsit?
Yes.
Okay. One ticket going here.
Okay, 62 buses.
Hi! This is my first time traveling solo in Thailand. So, my friends let me try to travel their public transportation going to Rangsit University. It's my ride. I'm currently having my lunch here at the local shop. It's in front of the Rangsit University, and here's my lunch for today. Unfortunately, Marlene and Karen wasn't able to join me, but it's okay because it's so traffic going here because I didn't know that there's an event at Rangsit University. It's currently their graduation day, so I'm glad I was able to witness their graduation ceremony. Maybe not in the ceremony per se, but the vibes here. I was able to buy this one. This one is the locals told me it's for engineering. Tapos yeah, and for drinks I'll have this. He recommended this to me, and it's beside their shop. Yeah. So let me just prepare this one. So yeah. And they gave me ice. Oh, it's hot. Super nice na kasi kahit hindi sila marunong mag-English or hindi sila ganun ka-fluent mag-English, pero sobrang nag-try talaga sila na intindihin ako, tsaka tulungan ako para maka-order. Grabe, sobrang accommodating ng family yan. So, you should try this dito sa may store nila. Malapit sa, ayun, sa tapat lang ng Rangsit Gate talaga. Tapat siya ng The Blossom Nail Salon. Picturean ko yung shop. Pero ano, parang ano lang siya eh. Alam mo yung food hall? Kainan, karinderya sa labas. Ganun lang siya. Kaya hindi ko alam kung may signage siya. Just 3 days. Kasama ko sila Marlene and si Karen, my friends. Yan, so and gusto ko talaga puntahan tong Rangsit. And may mga errands din sila. Actually, hiwa-hiwalay kami today. So, mamaya kamustahin natin kung paano o kumusta yung travel nila or yung errands nila alone. And it's graduation day here at Rangsit. All of the families of the students are gathered here today as they watch. Sunog na ako. Medyo mainit pero sobrang worth it. Kinikilig ako! Hindi ko ma-contain. Ito na talaga. Oh my God! May Soto's heart. They sell a lot of things here. Pero Oh my god. I've been walking and talking for good 10 minutes now, then I realized I wasn't recording. So all those tips, all those stories, experiences that I shared a while ago was not recorded. Yeah.
Bye, Bangkok! Oh my God! Last day. Going home na. Bye, Bangkok. Ano ba? Masaya ba? How's the trip? Patingin nga ng bank account. Uy, he's shaking.
Magtitignan.
Mag-uwi na para
Ang masaya, ang mahalaga masaya. Yes. Yung pera kikitain.
Saan?
Yes. But i-figure out na lang. Money will come back, but the memories
will stay forever.
Yes.
Yes.
That's
our take. I-gaslight pa natin. Merlinda, saan tayo OFW. Saan tayo mag-OFW?
Ang mga balikbayan.
Ang mga balikbayan? Yes.
Sinong mapalad? Sino ang kaal? Ay, asan
Bye. Okay, Merlinda.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Kapon ka.
See you next year.
See you next year. With business-minded friends. Okay, let's go. Just me and my bag. Wala na yung mga ka-seatmate ko. Wala na. Ako na lang to, B. Ikaw na lang yan. Wala na. Wala na yung humihilik dun sa unahan. Ang masandal tulog. Ayan. Hopefully, next time ulit. Next time ulit. Iyak. Malungkot, B. Bakit ganun? Na-homesick agad. Wala pa sa home. They are my high school friends. So, dami pa rin dala. Punta na sa boarding gate. Aga pa. 7:20 po yung boarding. It's only 5:20. 5:20 pa lang mali. Nakalagpas na tayo sa everything. Waiting na lang. 8:20 yung flight. I got here at 3. It's already 5. So, we still got time. Mabubudol. Ito pa. Tamang Bangkok. Gold na lang tayo. Bangkok gold. Where Saan yan? O, diba? Lumagpas. Kasi, seeing picture. O. Buti na lang. O, dito tayo. Kasi gate 11111. We're going to Doha. Going to Doha first. Layover 8 hours. And then, flight na 16 hours, gosh. Laban yon. Kaya yon 16 hours. Laban, gala ka eh. Ang gagawin? Wala na yung mga kaano ko. Yung kumakanta. Wala na. Mamaya pa yung flight nila. Pauwi na sila ng Philippines. Sana uwi na tayo. Uwi na ako sa baby ko. Hi, Sophie. Mama. Let's going home. Hi, Sophie. Nanonood siya vlog eh. Nanonood siya ng vlog ko. Sabi niyang daddy niya. Tapos iiyak. Kasi na-miss na yung mommy. Okay. Ito lang kami dito. Bakit connecting flights? Kita tambay na yan. May pasyaw pa. Just the fruits.